Materials recyclers work at facilities and plants that focus on recycling specific types of waste materials. Here, they have a range of tasks, depending on the type of product or material being recycled. As material arrives, it needs to be offloaded and weighed. Strength is required to handle large, bulky, and sometimes heavy objects by hand. Most materials, however, arrive in bags or bales. Forklifts are used to offload these and move them around the facility. Many materials recyclers have forklift driving licenses. Materials must be weighed at each stage of the process to keep track of production and for formal records. The first step in recycling whole products such as electronic goods is sorting them into different product types. Next, products are dismantled into component parts. Workers use electric screwdrivers and hammers for this part of the job. They also need to wear gloves, safety glasses, and masks, depending on the machines they are working on. Strength and stamina are required. Components are sorted into different skips. Some complicated components may require a second round of dismantling. Pure materials that are not processed at that particular plant may be baled and sold onto other recyclers. Complicated mixed materials such as electronic boards are sent overseas for recycling. Where plants focus on recycling specific materials rather than products, sorted products arrive in bales or bags. Processes are largely mechanized. Workers weigh and transport materials at various stages of the process. They feed, operate, and monitor the conveyor systems in machines which move, wash, and pulverize the recycled materials. Many plants recycle the water they use in the washing process, and workers are involved in this too. Materials recyclers operate the machines that transform pulverized materials into new raw materials. At plastic recycling plants, for instance, workers pulverize plastic and other chemicals such as colorant into the chutes of the extruding machines. They monitor these machines, switching them on and off, changing screens, and rethreading them when necessary. The recycling process creates a brand new raw material which is used by manufacturers to produce new products. The job of materials recycler is broad and varied. Requirements range from being physically fit and strong to having an eye for detail, from operating machines and scales to being able to drive a forklift. And while some parts of the job may be noisy and messy, this job contributes to preserving our planet for future generations.